perfectly negative correlation. A perfect negative correlation is when the correlation coefficient is negative 1.0. This means that for every unit increase in one variable, the other variable decreases by that same amount. For instance, a consumer's spending increases when their bank balance decreases, or a driver's speed increasing while their vehicle's fuel efficiency decreases. In most real-world scenarios, negative correlations are imperfect. For example, while the general trend between the supply of a product and its price is downward, individual data points might not fit this trend exactly. Negative correlations can be used in risk management to diversify a portfolio and reduce risk. For example, a portfolio manager might sell some of their investments in the oil sector and buy stocks in sectors that are negatively correlated with oil, such as aerospace, airlines, or casino gaming. A perfectly negative correlation does not exist in theory, represented by a correlation coefficient of -1, meaning that when one asset group goes up, the other always goes down by the same amount. But in real market scenarios, finding a perfectly negative correlation between assets is extremely rare and considered highly unlikely. Most negative correlations are imperfect, meaning the relationships aren't perfectly inverse. A perfect negative correlation indicates that two variables always move in completely opposite directions and with the same magnitude. Investors often seek assets with negative correlations to diversify their portfolios and mitigate risk.